I'm in the Volvo today. Heidi took the SX4. I had to drop the little girl off at school this morning. Heidi had to get there really early for some reason. So, anyways, now I'm off to, I just got my coffee. I'm off now to Canadian Tire to get a spark plug for that little outboard. And I don't remember what the spark plug is, so I'm going to go and watch yesterday's video and see, because I know I said what it was there. Well, I got my spark plug, RCJ8 Champion. Since I'm down here, I'm going to pop out to Heritage Marine and see what they have in stock for fuse panels. I need a fuse panel for the one McGregor, so I'll go check those guys and see what they can get in and what they can get me. It's nice to order from local guys and support them. I want to keep them around. They're really handy to have when you're in a pinch. And London only has one marine store. That's it. One marine store that carries anything for sailing, I should say. That's the one. Okay, I got a fuse panel. Perfect for the McGregor. Now, that's from Heritage Marine, the fuse panel. Okay, good stuff. I can head home and play with that little outboard motor. Well, oh, look at that. Oh, that's better. I'm out in the garage again, and here's the outboard. So looking at my pull start here, this is the thing you wrap the cord around. It's that old, this. Oh, actually, no, it's not that old. You can see the mark where there was another system on it. Okay, so that's good. That means I can order something. But anyways, I've been looking at this. I'm going to take this off and investigate that a little bit more, see what I can do with that. But it got me thinking, hey, I've got something else with a pull cord. This is it's a drill. I found this. It needs a gas tank. As far as I know, that's it. But I was thinking, maybe I can use that pull start mechanism on this. So we'll see. If not, I'll figure something out. It can't be that hard to set something up. This Keystone engine, Keystone, is made by a Japanese company, and Keystone's one of the names it used. It used Scott, and it used a number of other names, all the exact same engine. So I know I can get one of these pull cord things. I've actually seen them on the parts list online. Okay, so I'm going to play around with this, take that apart, and see what's up there. I'm going to do that before I start it. Well, that's not... that's not the way that's supposed to be. But, oh, I guess it worked. Somebody's had this apart and been messing with it. This is what I'm looking at. Pieces broken off here and here. That means probably the original pull start won't work, because that's where it would grab. Well, let's take apart this other one and see what's in it. This might just work. Golly. These little dogs in here. I think I can put them on that. I've been defeated. I don't have enough length on this to work in there. So that's not going to work. I wonder if there's another option. If I can use that somehow. I don't know. Well, I'm not gonna be too worried if I just have to wrap the cord around it and pull it. It's not a big deal. Freezing out here though. So I'm gonna have to go with the way it's been set up with the wraparound deal. That'll have to work for now, and I think I might put a bolt in there though, so that I can maybe turn it with a drill. That might help. I think I found one. This would sit on top of there. Yeah, that'll work. That will work fine. Haha. Put some gloves on. So, aren't the warmest, but it's better than nothing. Different thread. Find a different bolt. It's not one thing, it's another, eh? Remember a number of months back I was going on about how important it is to have like extra hardware. And I bought all these bags of stuff from the Restore. This one was $1.50. That just saved me. It had a metric thread bolt that's going to be perfect for my application. It saved me driving around the city trying to find a bolt or find something that would fit that. Anyways, I'm going to put this together and see if this works. I may have to cut the bolt off, but hey, it's better to be too long than too short. So, the bolt's going in here. Like that. Okay, that's not going to work. Oh, yes. Okay, so plan C, or D, is find a bolt or washer that fit that there. So I can have a nut on the top of it that I can put my electric drill on top and be able to start the engine that way. Just as a quick start method for in the shop while I'm trying to get this thing going, because wrapping that rope around is kind of time consuming. So let's keep looking. This one's just a little too deep, a little too long. The nut's too deep with the washer on it. So I think we can find something a little different. Well, I found my bolt and nut and washer. They're both too big. I have to grind them down. I'm not going to do that today. I've got too much stuff to clean up over there to do that, so I'll wait till a little warmer day. But right now, I'm going to take a look at what's in here. There should be gear oil in there. I'm hoping there's gear oil in there. And if there is, that's a good thing. Of mercury gear lube. The gear lube is a little thick to go in that little tiny hole. So I'm gonna have to try and figure out something else. Needs some type of a straw. It's giving me an idea. I need some type of funnel with a very tiny end. I don't seem to have anything like that. Oh, No. Yeah, that'd be great, but it's got gasket stuff in it. Okay. I don't know what I'm going to use. Okay, we got her. Now let's just put the screw back in. Well, we accomplished one thing today. That's put gear oil in the bottom here. So, I guess I'll try and find the right bolt for my application there. It's not the right application, but it'll help me a lot trying to start this by being able to put something on there that spins it. And yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please click the clicky things and tell your mom to tell her friends. Thanks.